Here we have the Caterham 340S. Oh my god! This thing corners! You could literally touch the floor. But still, we have a lot of fun! There's nothing else like it. Nothing! Alright guys, now you're gonna see my first impression of riding this Caterham. Literally my first impression. Getting in the car. Let's try and not stall it. Wow, okay guys, this is basically as raw as you can get. Wow, I'm used to driving the Elise, but this, wow. This is the blinker, by the way, the indicator. It's not self-canceling. Yeah, I really need to get used to the clutch. The clutch is like a light switch. Oh, the sound! Whoa! Guys, you literally have no doors. What the hell? I hope you can hear some of the exhaust because it sounds so good. Wow guys, I'm kind of speechless. This is so sick. And I'm used to an Elise. I mean, the Elise is raw, but this is on a different level, honestly. Okay, the car is warm. Second gear, let's give it a pull. Whoa, guys, whoa! I'm sorry if it's a bit windy, but I have the doors removed. You can literally, I'm gonna slow down a bit. You could literally touch the floor from here. It's insane. Whoa. The sound it makes, whoa! I've driven a lot of cars, but this is by far the coolest car I've ever driven. The feeling, oh my god. You can, whoa. Let's quickly go out here. Wow. It also smells a bit burnt. Here we have the Caterham 340S. Around 185 horsepower, 550 kilograms, 174 newton meters of torque or 128 pound-foot of torque, 4.8 seconds to 60, which is more than fast enough. You don't have any airbags, you don't have assisted braking, no ABS, no traction control, no electronics, none of that. This is just you, the engine, the chassis and the road. You actually might be a bit scared to drive this car because it feels so raw. If you drive 50, it feels like you're driving 100. And it's also the purest car you can legally get to drive on the road. This is peak motoring right here. And it doesn't matter what I tell you, you won't understand it unless you drive one. How do you drive one, you might ask me? Go to Kumschick. You can test drive this exact beauty right here, the 340S. You can rent it out for a day even if you're visiting Switzerland or if you live in Switzerland. I think it would be perfect if you visit Switzerland and you want to experience the roads. Go to Kumschick and rent it out for a day. Sick. And this is basically a motorbike on 4 wheels. Climbing into a Caterham is a task of itself, but it's not as difficult as people seem to make it. You put one foot in and you plumb yourself in. Yeah, you can rest your arms here and start wearing the car. The steering is unassisted, so there is no servo in here, which makes it handle like a go-kart, honestly. Do you know the feeling when you are driving a go-kart and then you go back into your car? It feels like something is wrong or the steering is so light. You don't have it in this car. This is exactly the same. That's why it actually feels so good. And you can feel exactly each wheel, how much grip it has. And with your butt, you can also feel the rear wheels. These are the rear wheels, by the way. Here is the floor. You can touch the floor. On the other side, we have the exhaust. Insane. 2-liter Ford Duratec 4-cylinder engine. We have a 5-speed manual transmission. Clutch feels like a light switch. It's either on or off, honestly. You really need to get used to it. And heel towing is so easy because the pedals are so close together. Minimal driver aids. You have the indicators, lights, the start button, the horn, fuel, water temperature, oil. Let the car do the talking. I'm gonna go for a quick drive. Oh my my god! And these aren't even tight turns yet. I'm sorry if I need to scream a little, but this is how it's supposed to be with this car. Oh my god! This thing corners! Whoa! Yes, braking, you really need to get on it. Whoa! I think we can use second gear a bit more. Whoa, the downshifts! Oh my god! This thing turns in like a go-kart! Let's check out second gear. Slowing down for the speed limit. This is pure driving bliss. I cannot even explain it. You have to test drive one. And again, if you want to test drive one, go to Kumschick Sportscars, where you can rent one or just test drive it. Braking. Whoa. The G-forces you feel in this car is something different. Yeah, for the blind corners, slowing down a bit, and then if we can see a bit further, let's go. Wow! I had the blinker on the whole time because you can't really hear it. Woo! Oh my god! Honestly, on a mountain pass, you're gonna destroy. If you can drive this, you're maybe not destroy any Porsche, but you have much more fun. And the grip. Blind corners, watch out for that. Again, safety is top priority, but still we have a lot of fun. Heel towing is so good. Whoa! Or even just rev matching. I didn't even heel tow, but rev matching, the throttle response is so instant. Holy moly, I can't get over this car, guys. It's... Here, being careful because you can't really cross. And yes, it is 80 kilometers an hour here. But yeah, unassisted braking, you really need to watch out. Wow, this road. I didn't even know this road existed. Whoa. Okay. Wooza. Let's chill for a second and take it in, because the senses in this car, oh my god. Now I can talk normally as well. It's... I've driven a lot of cars, but this beats any Lamborghini, Ferrari, Porsche, you name it. This is the coolest car to drive. Yeah, and the attention also, you probably get more attention than any sports or supercar, because nobody's used to seeing this. And it looks so low and wide on the road, man, it's insane. The clutch is still, I need to get used to it. Okay, heel towing is good. Let's give it a pull. Wow, the sound! Oh my god! feel the rear coming. I hope that car does some of the talking for me, because it's really difficult talking and driving this, because you really need to be on it, man. You can't be distracted. Let's go out here and turn around. In hell, man, this car, doors and roof are optional on this car. You can also spec this car with an aero screen, which means no windscreen. This gets removed. You get a little attachment which goes to about here. I would personally wear a helmet when driving like this, because stones and stuff can fly up. But yeah, I think it's fine with the windscreen actually. I'm quickly gonna show you how to attach the doors. Here is the boot space. It's not that much, but actually for this car I think it's perfect. Here you have the doors. You can see it's really flimsy. We're gonna take these wind deflectors off and put on the door. Zack. Attach this one right here. Here, and then you have another pulley here. Plug it in and that's good to go. Then you have a car with doors. And yes, this also has a roof. I'm not gonna put it on right now. It's like a really easy mechanism. Yes, the roof and both the doors fit in the boot. You can fit the doors also in here, so you can have a little bit of boot space. I would personally treat it like a motorbike. Just take it when the sun is out, never put the roof on. There's also an option for a half roof, which is not fully closed. It's open in the back and it's flat on the top. It looks a bit cooler. People love this car, man. Everyone who looks at it doesn't even know what it is, and it's just a little joyful, playful car. There are other trims of the Caterham, yes. I even think the 175 with 80 horsepower or 84 horsepower is enough. But this here with 185 is something different, man. And the way it sticks in the corners is just so sick. I hope the wind... Wow. The wind isn't too bad. Wow, no traffic today, it's so cool. It's gonna be hard for me talking about this car here because I'm so speechless. This is such a cool experience, man. Also, this speedo shows more than the GPS. I have the GPS right here. Around 93 on the speedo is 80 kilometers an hour on the GPS. Keep in mind I can legally drive around 95 without getting any ticket. Okay, that was not a good heel toe. Is insane, man. Woo! There's nothing else like it. Nothing. Chilling in third gear. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo! Wow, yeah, man. Woo! Really sharp turn, should have gone into second gear for that. Yeah, missed the heel toe. Again, I'm not used to this car, so I'm driving a bit slower. Missed the heel toe again. It's tricky. Yeah guys, I really hope you enjoyed this review. Go drive one of those, you know it, Kumschick Sportscars. Link is in the description down below. I'm not sponsored by them, yeah. I just sincerely like these guys. Such a cool dealership. They know what they're talking about. And if you rent one and then actually decide to buy a car from Kumschick, they're gonna deduct the price from the buying price. Leave a like guys, subscribe, and I'm gonna see you in the next one. Peace.